Good morning. Today is a full production day in the kitchen as I prepare catering for 3 Department of Education events, followed by a networking reception with the Queen's Chamber of Commerce. Let's get started. I love beginning production with baked goods. They're one of the first things guests enjoy, and there's nothing like the aroma of fresh pastries. Alongside the sweet selections, I always like to offer a savory option to create a well-balanced breakfast spread. Fresh ingredients always makes a difference. Simple combinations prepared well always stand out. Today's menu include pesto, arugula, fresh mozzarella, and tomato sandwiches, along with classic turkey and cheese, perfect for a busy networking event. Once everything is prepared, organization becomes just as important as cooking. Carefully packaging ensures every item arrives fresh and ready to serve in my insulated bag. And now for my favorite part, the sweet board. Designed to serve 24 guests, it features cupcakes, cake truffles, chocolate covered pretzels, fresh fruit, artisanal cheeses, and cured meats. I love creating edible experiences that invite people to gather, connect, and celebrate. So for the sweet board for the Queen's Chamber of Commerce event, I went with the sweet board that had like more earthy tones, if you notice, like the green grapes, the cilantro for garnish, white cheeses, the cured salami, cake balls, and then I had my wicked dark chocolate cupcake, but I did that with Ruby Cocoa Buttercream so that it's a lighter shade and it pairs with the cake truffles. These sandwiches went very quickly. All in all, the week was a hit. Till next time.